G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. The time is 10:03 in the morning and I've just got another visitor here. A big, giant, flightless bird for the kangaroo. What let him eat? That's for the birds that fly. You realise this? Do you have wings? The answer is no. That's for the birds that fly. I'm hoping to get a new bird feeder soon, next month. It's one of those ones that's self-feeding ones, designed that you just hang down. You can have to move with the puppy dog here. I'm going to go for a walk with the puppy dog. Oh well. And the I noticed when I did put the bird seed down there, that a bird came out of the bird box there, the nest, which is really good because I was hoping I'd use it. As before, I'm going to try to hopefully when they get established well enough. Are you farting? That I'm going to be able to eventually put a camera into there somehow and hope to capture them giving birth to the, basically putting the egg out and then hoping the egg will hatch, stuff like that, and trying to get shots like that. I don't think it's ever been done with this species of bird, that's the eastern rosella. But I'm going to then have to research the right cameras to put into there and to set up, so it's not going to interfere with the bird when they go in. With birds when they go in there, it's not going to disturb them in any way, and it's just going to constantly record for a long time. You right there? Oh well. I'm going to let this kangaroo just munch on the bird seed because that's what I wanted to do. Can't do much else. You can't stop them eating the birds. You could try to scare them away, but that's about it. They still got to just do their own thing. But I'm going to maybe have to lift it up higher. No, you sense something. What do you sense? I'll put some more bird seed later today when this kangaroo pisses off eventually. Wait. Yeah, he sees the person with the dog. I'll just walk past the camera in a minute. There it is, little puppy dog. Oh well, just ignored it. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos of this flightless giant bird eating kangaroo. You have a great day now. And all comments are welcome.